regresé con otro video. Es tu favorita morenita y regresé con otro video. Today's video, I have partnered up with Revlon to bring to you this mask-friendly makeup look. Again, you guys are probably like, girl, ain't nobody wearing makeup or whatever. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this friendly mask makeup that is extremely doable, but I want to do something a little spicy, and I want to add like a kind of like a fierce eye moment. I say let's have fun with it, okay? We are in the middle of a pandemic. We can still be safe, but we can still be kind of fun. Like, let's not lose. We trying. Like, I'm holding on to like hope. Like, I have to. So I'm just gonna bring to you and sprinkle some sassiness, some fierceness. Okay, again, if you guys are excited to see how we're going to achieve this friendly mask makeup tutorial using all Revlon products, hello, don't go anywhere. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, y vamos a comenzar. Here, she's pinned Bizag. I'm thinking, okay, so I have two primers here. So I have here the perfecting smoothing, and then I also have the brightening skin tone. You guys can see because it's white and the light is messing it up. I think I'm gonna do perfecting and smoothing. I'm just gonna apply. I'm just gonna pat it. Next, so Revlon doesn't have color correctors, but I am gonna go in and still color correct, but now I'm gonna use something that's closer to my complexion. So I'm gonna go in with the Revlon Colorstay Full Coverage Concealer in the color Hazelnut. So this baby is cake proof. I'm about to show you guys. It is so full coverage, but it is still lightweight. It's like the perfect in between. So again, I am someone who has problematic skin whenever she decides to be problematic. Yeah. But this will help even out the skin tone. This concealer also comes in 18 beautiful shades, so I'm sure you guys will all be able to find a shade for yourselves. And what I also love about this is it is not like drying, which I love. Look at how easy that just blends out. So I'm just gonna go in. Like, look, it's literally close to my shade. Because I have not been sleeping. Okay, just gonna take my sponge and I'm just going to blend it out. Look at how seamless. I'm gonna need you guys to really tune in and listen up. If you guys don't have this OG right here, the Revlon Colorstay Foundation. This is so amazing, you guys. The full coverage on this is absolutely stunning. It's a 24-hour long-wear foundation, and it's meant to resist humidity and sweat. Now, is this foundation not ideal for our current situation in life? I don't know about you guys, but I am excited about this because I've used this foundation, and this foundation is so full coverage, so matte that it's matte, but it's not drying. It's like a perfect balance of everything, because we've tried matte foundations in the past and I'm like, ooh, like I like my natural oils to still come through, but this one is full coverage. The shade that I'm going in with is 600 Cinnamon. All right, let's jump right in. Yeah. She thick, okay? But she's not thick where she was like blah. She's still moving. So that's kind of where you can tell consistency. I'm just gonna go in. Look at that. And it feels so moisturized. Again, I'm just putting it all over my face for the sake of the video. This foundation is for everyone. If you have normal to dry skin or combination of oily skin, in my case, I have oily combination, but what I found really impressive is this is a matte finish and it has an oil-free formula, and you guys, even better, there's a broad spectrum SPF of 15. Like, I would typically go in with a powder, but you guys, you don't have to. Next, I'm gonna move on to the Revlon Colorstay Pencil. I love this formula because, again, it has that long-wearing waterproof formula that lasts up to 24 hours. Brows, obviously, no one's seeing the rest of our face, but baby, the brows have to be on. I'm just gonna go in and brush these out. They're not caterpillars no more. My girl Vanessa hooked your girl up. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the color dark brown, and this dark brown is potent, so you want to be a little easy on the hands. So I'm just gonna go in and just fill it in. As you can see, it's like immediately appears. All right, and I'm just going What I love about this formula is it's a long-wearing waterproof formula that lasts up to 24 hours. The products that we're gonna be pretty much using in today's video, all from Revlon, are pretty much geared towards like sweat, humidity, wearing a mask, life-proof, long-lasting. So these products are gonna be pretty ideal for you to use in your day-to-day basis if you don't wanna look, you know, a mess by the end of the day. Look at how gorgeous that just glides on. It's super easy to also get those brush hairs because of the angled tip. So again, you just use that angled tip to really find those areas where you just want to fill in your brow hairs. Again, brows are personal. So whatever it is, if you want to be heavy-handed, go for it. I personally like to just kind of fill it in and make it look as natural as possible, like you see here. And I like to use my spoolie to just blend it out and soften out the application. To clean up my brows, I'm gonna go in with the Revlon Colorstay Full Coverage Concealer. This time, I'm gonna use the color Café. I'm just gonna use some from the back of my hand. Ooh. Ooh, that's a brow. Just gonna blend that out right there. I have no powder on and my skin is increasing. It's extremely lightweight, flexible, doesn't even feel like I have anything on. For my eyes, I'm gonna go in with the Revlon this is Revlon's newest formula. This is the Revlon Colorstay eyeliner, and I'm gonna go in with this 203 Brown Brune. And I think I wanna do like a wing situation, and I'm gonna like make it like, yeah, I wanna make it like wearable makeup in a sense. Vamos a inventar, ay Dios mío. Okay, let's jump right in. And I'm just gonna smudge out. I'm not even gonna create a tail just yet. I'm just kind of smoking out like that outer corner. Now you have to love that the Colorstay eyeliners come with a built-in sharpener and smudger, so you can kind of like adjust as you go and smoke it out if you want to. Let's also get into this ultra creamy formula. It literally glides on seamlessly and it gives you that beautiful flawless application. I'm just gonna go back in and clean it up because I've never been that person who can like draw straight lines. So hey, don't come for me. Yes. Ooh, I love it, I love it. I'm just gonna take my smudger and I'm just going to just smudge these edges out a little bit. You know, some light. Revlon's Colorstay eyeliner is now available in 3 new on-trend shades that you're not gonna wanna miss. So I'm just lightly. And I'm just gonna go on top of my bone. Oh, that one was easier. Oh no, this one's not longer. Yes. So I'm just gonna wipe off a little bit. Just want the silhouette of it. Oh, that's so pretty. Like edgy, like, you know, I love a soft matte, soft glam-ish-esque. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Revlon Colorstay Looks Book in the color, and this is the palette N40 Insider. And I'm just gonna take this kind of matte color right here, and I'm gonna put it right in the center. Tapered brush, as you can see. And I'm just gonna go right in there. Okay guys, I'm going to then go in and clean up with my concealer. It's crazy how things just disappear. So I'm gonna go in and take my Revlon Colorstay Concealer in Café, and I'm just going to go right under. And I'm just going to now press it in to the eyes. Look at how gorgeous this concealer is, look. Ooh. Okay, I'm just gonna take the flat end and I'm just going to do pat motions. Yep, let's flip it. Ooh, okay guys. For my mascara, I'm not doing lashes because the chances of me doing lashes while wearing a face mask. I mean, listen, you can do whatever you please. I'm gonna go in and use I'm gonna curl these babies to get all the effect I can get. I'm gonna go in with my Revlon Triple Step Lash Curler. I find really effective of the Triple Step Lash Curler is that it has a soft silicone on the lower pad and then a rigid upper pad design. And this is designed to give you more of a gentle but more effective curly. This baby is gonna give us some dramatic lashes just off of one. I honestly thought that lash curlers was like such a gimmick until I started using lash curlers. I'm like, oh no, y'all, you need them. You need them. Hold on. Ooh. Now for my lashes, I'm gonna go in with the Revlon So Fierce Mascara. It is clump free, flake free, and smudge proof. Nobody wants to be out here crying, okay? And your mascara's running. I always make sure I have waterproof mascara on because you're not about to catch me slipping out here in these streets. Ooh, look at that. Oh yes. Oh, did y'all see the drama? Oh, that's gorgeous. All right, so I just went ahead and applied my mascara. Whoa. Okay, I do want to brighten a little bit more, so I'm gonna go in and brighten my forehead with the Revlon Colorstay Full Coverage Concealer. Ah! Oh my gosh. What happened to my hand? She just got a little heavy-handed just now. You don't really have to drag it all the way down since our nose is gonna be covered, but I am going to blend this out. Just make sure everything looks so pretty. All right, you guys, I'm just gonna add a little bit of some highlight on the center, on the cheekbones, high points of my cheekbones. This is the Daybreak Glimmer in 201. This is Revlon Skin Lights. Yeah, you know, just to tell people that the skin is glowing. Okay. Ooh, look at that. No one's seeing our nose, so no one should be seeing your nose, by the way. So I don't want to hear it. Let me just go in and making sure that the skin and everything looks scrumptious. Just gonna add a little bit of lip chat. No need to add any, what's that called? Lipstick. All right, my loves, so here you have the final look. Here is my friendly mask makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Super easy, super affordable, and super doable. Like, I don't want to hear nothing. This eye came out so subtle, but it's still like a, ooh, excuse me, está hablando conmigo momento. Again, shout out to Revlon for partnering up with your girl. So happy I was able to bring this look to you guys. If you want to buy all the products I mentioned in today's video, be sure to head on over to Revlon.com. And there you have it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Now, hello, remember, put your mask on. I want to hear it. Bye. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but This is the best I've ever looked with a mask on. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Ooh, ooh.